What's up, Excellence? We're back at it again in another interior fit out. The last vid is a condo fit out, but now, the place that we are taking you to is a residential building. Ang nakakaloko dito is yung buong building is their family home. And with that, let's dive in. As far as our marketing girlie knows at natanong, the 5th floor is a multi-purpose area wherein na yung clients namin decided na gawing meeting room to. Before, walang shades or curtains na nakalagay sa mga big windows nila, so madaling tamaan ng araw yung mga gamit and over time magfa-fade yung colors dahil sa sinag ng araw. So ngayon, nilagyan namin ng roller shades to prevent that from happening. O diba, you're watching this and at the same time may natututunan pa? In here naman, you can see the console cabinet. Here we use WPC fluted panels and a marine board laminate finish for the accent wall and LED lights for that glow. The thing that we like about this one is that it is a concealed full storage cabinet and has an electric outlet para makapag-charge ka ng devices nyo. And yung drawers uses soft hinges para hindi masira agad yung drawer kapag napasobra ang hila and tulak. Nung unang binigay itong project, kitang-kita ang wires sa likod and ang awkward ng TV since nakalagay pa lang siya sa isang table na maliit. So, our interior designers designed the TV rack with back panels to cover up those wires, storage cabinets for that extra storage, LED lights, and an accent wall using our WPC fluted panels. Let's go to the 3rd floor where we have installed motorized roller shades with the remote with the intention of securing their privacy kasi before kitang-kita sila since wala pang pantakip sa mga windows nila. 1 floor up, the 4th floor naman has a motorized curtain system installed with remote. It used blackout curtains for the windows and sheer curtains in case you prefer na may konting sinag ng araw. As of now, this residence is not yet finished since our client also wanted us to make an interior fit out to other parts of their home. Ito pa lang, alam na natin na nagustuhan nila yung gawa ng Excellent Home Decor. So if you want this kind of home, hit up that message button on our Facebook page to know more about our services. Your marketing girlie will update you soonest. Choose excellence, choose Excellent Home Decor.